We intend to create a place for safe, state-of-the-art healthcare that promotes the spirit of healing in Louisiana, where the best care is provided to all, that is iconic to the community, where love inspires children's laughter and awakens their spirit, that exudes confidence, excitement, and amazement, with a peaceful spiritual connection to nature that expresses extreme humility, hope, and gratitude to the Lord.
The vision or the dream of a children's hospital has been in existence for a long time. Ever since Sister Julie, one of the sisters, walked the halls of Our Lady of the Lake taking care of pediatric patients, it's been a vision that one day we might have a home or a house that's strictly just for kids. Well, that day has come.
I would say as a mother, nobody wants to see their child in pain. And Shania's first diagnosis in January of 2014, they told us that she had a 5 to 20% chance to live. As parents, no one wants to hear that.
When she was 4 months old, she started having some medical issues again, became critically ill. We brought her to the pediatric ER here at Our Lady of the Lake, and she was admitted that night. And we never imagined that would then be the beginning of 222 days in the hospital while she fought for her life. But she never fought alone. They never gave up on her.
I looked at my phone, and when you see that you have 19 voicemails, missed calls, text messages, you immediately know something. You don't know how bad it's going to be, but you know it's going to be bad. They brought me in the emergency room, and that was by far the hardest part, was seeing my baby connected to so many machines and wires and not understanding what any of it meant. I didn't know if he was fighting for his life or if this was just a natural part of what would be a recovery process.
It's just a different way of treating a patient when you're an adult compared to a child. And in our case, our child had cancer, and then she also went into palliative and hospice care in this hospital. You know, it's just a totally different situation than when you have an adult.
Children aren't just little adults, and that they have special needs. They need a hospital that is patient, as the Lake has been patient with them, but even more so in a freestanding children's hospital where everyone in the building is oriented towards kids' health care and the delivery of that health care in a way that's not scary for the children, that really welcomes the kids. They're in a place that they feel comfortable.
It means more than words could say. They had all the technology, the specialists, the instruments, anything that they needed to take care of her right here in Baton Rouge. For the new hospital to continue to perform miracles that they've already been performing here and expand the care, the level of care and the number of specialists to take care of children. You never know when it might be your family or your friend or your grandchild that has something wrong and will need them all of a sudden, and they're there ready to take care of them.
Well, children are our future, and if the future is going to be bright, then our care of children needs to be right.
We invite the community in to be a part of this with us, because together we know that we will be able to build this institution and then have it meet the needs of kids today and tomorrow.
From the deepest roots of the oldest trees to the flutter of the lightest breeze, nature is a reflection of the divine. Reach out and embrace the world that surrounds you. Let His colors give you hope. Let its creatures inspire you. Let its peacefulness heal you. Let what the Lord created teach you humility and gratitude. Celebrate what He has created in the place that you call home.